A twisted setting for a block gives you interest, and I'm going to show you today how to do that really quickly and easily. We're going to take 4 strips of fabric to go around our block. Now I actually like to do the partial seam technique as well, because that adds just a little bit more interest too. So we need to do a little bit of number adding up. That's the first strip, there's the half. I would continue, as I say, the full workshop is technique, so I would continue adding that one to there, that one to there, and then we flip this over and add that on, so that we end up, move those out of the way, with a twist like this. Each of them is the same length, and it just gives you a visual twist.